sa kapagdapya kang maramig nga hangin, nabatyagan ko kasadya nga waraga kabuhin sa tagsa kapaghuni kang mga kapispisan, nabatyagan ko kalipay sa akong.
The town's present urban center was formerly a component barrio of the municipality of Bugasong, called Cabirian. Due to the abundance of berry shrubs, some 30 families settling along the coast of Bugasong moved eastward following the riverbank of Kabangaranan River until they reached the Cabirian, a place they cleared till uninhabited. Because of the vast rich agricultural lands sufficiently irrigated by the waters of Kabangaranan River, the settlement flourished and attracted more settlers from the mother town. Through time, the established community felt need to have their own set of officials to govern themselves independently from the Pueblo of Bugasong. Because of Cabirian became a separate and independent municipality in 1865 through the effort of Spanish officials surnamed Valderrama. Because of the great gratitude of the people to the Spanish official, Cabirian as a new pueblo was named Valderrama in his honor. Manuel Blanco de Valderrama was the interim Governor General of the Philippines from March 17 to June 18, 1874. Birth date July 23, 1815. Birthplace Madrid, Spain. Death October 18, 1899. Occupation military officer or official military interim Governor General of the Philippines or Gobernador General Interino de Pilipinas. Valderrama is located 53 kilometers or 33 miles from the provincial capital San Jose de Buenavista. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, the municipality has a land area of 273.79 square kilometers or 105.71 square miles, constituting 10.3% of 2,729.17 square kilometer or 1,053.74 square mile. Total area of Antique. Municipality of Valderrama is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Antique, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 19,971 people. Panubason Festival is an annual event celebrated by the Valderramians. It is usually held from 23rd to 25th day of January. The festival is not only the thanksgiving for the good and abundant crops during the respective harvest season, but also the thanksgiving for the gifts given by God to all the Valderramians. This was intended to discover and develop special talents from aspirants in the field of art, music, dances, and sports.